Shalom. Hi. So, the doorbell needs to be replaced. And I did a bunch of research on how to do it, and I know now how you replace a doorbell. But here's the thing. I just recently caused a flood in my house. If you watched the video before this last one, you'll hear about that story. So I didn't really feel it was like good to risk the possibility of not only causing a flood now, but a fire. Because even though I did this research on how to replace a doorbell, I'm not an electrician and I don't feel confident enough to start a fire with some wrong wiring. At least not this soon. Hopefully never. Hopefully I won't start electrical fire no matter what. But yeah. So the option that I came across, which I found out, is wireless doorbell. Yes. So that way I don't have to worry about accidentally burning the house down. And I thought it'd be great to share that with you. So I got the stuff here. Let's get started. So I'm just gonna go through the instructions and read them out loud with you. So this is kind of cool. This is the door. I'll show you this though. This is the doorbell. It's got a little tab thing on it, and it comes with this piece, which I'm being so technically termed here. It's got the place for batteries in the back. So yes, you will need batteries. I made the mistake of not buying batteries when I first got this, and then I had to make another trip to get batteries. So yeah. Okay, so first instructions. It says here, remove back of push button by pushing in tab on bottom with a small screwdriver. These instructions are really not, I'm assuming it's this. So I'm gonna not take the, doesn't say take the tab off, it says to push. There's another piece here. So that's what I'm thinking. So I got a little screwdriver here. Okay. This is kind of fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna do what they say. Let's see if it works. Yes, it worked. Okay. Hopefully that was okay to do. Oh wow, that looks cool. Look at that on the inside there. This is amazing. Isn't that beautiful? The inside of a doorbell, ladies and gentlemen. It's like truly a work of art. Genius. Nice. Okay. Next thing on here says, oh, we should do this in Spanish too, huh? Of course, the Spanish usually is not so, as good, but it says con un wow, I don't even know this word in Spanish. Destornillador pequeño. Presione la pestaña en la parte inferior del botón pulsador para retirar la parte posterior. Very nice. Okay, next one. Remove orange battery tab from push button. So, this is kind of orange. I mean, I guess it's kind of like red-orange to me, but I'm assuming, yes, it's the only one. So here we go. We're gonna remove the orange battery tab from button here. Okay. Trying to remove it. You know what? This might take me a little while, so let's edit. It'll take me some time probably. So I got it out. It was actually not so bad. So this came out. And then this little piece, little battery thing. So it came out, and then I don't know yet what we're gonna do with that, but the next instructions was about this, and oh, okay, it froze for a moment. Okay, I just opened this, and pretty simple, just a little tab there. And then we've got this going on. So it says to install three C batteries, alkaline batteries. I don't know why it has to be specifically alkaline batteries. I'm assuming they've got something going on there. But yeah, so in the Spanish we got the orange button out. Retire la pestaña naranja de la batería del botón pulsador. And the next instructions, well, the next ones are pretty long in Spanish. Presione el enganche en la parte inferior de la campanilla para tirar la parte posterior. Instale 3 baterías alcalinas C en la campanilla. Okay, so I'm gonna put, I got the batteries over here. Here are these batteries, and I'm gonna put 3 of them. Yeah, okay. Next. So now the next part is actually not exactly fixating it on the door, but figuring out where you want it on the door. So now is the time to do that. And I also wanted to let you know I put this back in there as such. And then now with this piece, there's an option you can use double-sided tape to mount this to the wall, or you can use screws. There's little areas here to push or to screw through onto the wall. So yeah, it's entirely up to you, and I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do either until I get out there. So and then I put the batteries are in there. This is how it looks. It's kind of cool. You can like mount this someplace. It's got a little spot to mount it. Very nice, but we're gonna test it first. It says here too, instructions to test first. So anyways, I'm going to be outside with this, just so you know. That's the next part. That is so bright that I can't even tell. I believe it's recording now. So I'm outside, and I decided to go with the double-sided tape because yeah, I'm thinking that where the doorbell was, that I'm gonna put like an art. You know, actually that'd be a great place for a mezuzah. I know that's not really the place where you put a mezuzah, but I'm thinking about some art would be nice here, piece of artwork. But yeah, we're just gonna do for now. We're gonna fix that later, but for now we're just gonna do double-sided tape. So I'm gonna put that on here, and then I'm gonna fixate it where I want. On there, and yeah, we'll go from there. No, seriously, this is so bright I can't see. Okay, there we go. So I just found out that there are 2 settings on there for tunes. So one goes ding and one goes ding dong. You know, that's kind of the one that most people are familiar with, I think. So basically, yeah, well, this side goes up. You want to make sure, I found out, you have the right side up. But yeah, if you want, there's 2 settings, 1 and 2, and basically it's just, you know, simple sense, you know, which one you want. The second one you put up for on, or the other one you put up, or, you know, vice versa if you don't want the other one to turn on the sound. So now I'm going to this on the door, and you're supposed to test it before you put it on the door, so it's probably not the best thing on my part, but I'm gonna stick this on there and see how it goes. Okay, so, and then the rest of it, the chime part, is actually inside. So yeah, I'm going to set this. Okay, so this might take me a little while again, so I better edit once again. Okay, so I'm inside the house now, and I've been testing the doorbell. I was able to put it together, but again, this is the piece that goes inside the house, and you can put it anywhere in your house that you want. It's not as loud as I think I would have liked it to have been, but I mean, I can still hear it. I mean, I can hear it, so I guess if you have a dog that barks easily with doorbells, maybe that's a good thing, but as long as one can still hear it, if I was like singing really loud and in the shower or something, obviously I'm not gonna hear it, but I don't think so, but it's pretty nice. So okay, I'm gonna let you hear it. But before I do that, let me show you that it's just beautiful out here. Oh, I know you can't feel the weather right here, but it's beautiful. So there it is. Looks pretty nice. It's not like super fan. I think you can see it. I guess, I'm sorry if you're not able to see it. I do apologize, because honestly I can't tell. It's so bright that it's hard. I can't see what's on the screen, so I don't really know what's being recorded. Hopefully you can see something. But yeah, so I'm gonna push the button and then you can hear it. I thought I had it set to the 2 ding dong sound, but it turns out I didn't. But I guess that could be easily fixed inside manually to fix it, but that's alright. So I'm just gonna set it over here, the chimes, and then you can listen to when I'm gonna press the button now. That's the door. So here we go. I'm gonna press it. Oh, now we can't hear anything. That's scary. Oh well, this is definitely a DDIY. Don't do it yourself, because it was just working. Let me see here. Maybe oh, you know what? I might have actually put that in wrong. So yeah, it's a good thing you're seeing this, because this is unedited raw stuff. Oh, yep. See, now it's not working. It was working. So let me go ahead and see what's up with that. Hang on. Yes, problem solved. So this is good for me to share with you. So I looked at the instructions, and really the words didn't see, for me anyways, didn't match the picture. And so I actually went with the picture, and the picture was what ended up being correct. I fixed it so too now. See, both of these have to align. I had one up and one down on both of them, which again, it was from the picture, not from the instructions, the picture of the instructions. I got that, I don't know, maybe just the way that my mind works. Maybe it's a harpist brain. I don't really know, but the way my mind is, yeah. So put it on both, and now it works. But now I'm going to remount it, and then I'll show you what happens, okay? So here we go. Alright, here's the moment that we've all been waiting for. I'm going to push the button again, hopefully without any catastrophes happening. Okay. Yes! Success! Yes! Woo! So hopefully you can hear that. Went ding dong. Yes! Never have those sounds been so beautiful to my ears before. Thank you for watching and listening, and I hope, even if you didn't learn something, I hope you were entertained and smiled, because that's really what I'm all about. Yeshua is love and light and joy, and so, yeah, just keep smiling. Trust me, even in difficult times, that's how we gotta, he's our strength, okay? So, may you be blessed, and shalom, shalom. I love all of you so much. Take care.